Hi guys, welcome to DC Mind Universe. In this video I will talk about Article 1 to 50 of Indian Constitution. If you have come for the first time on my YouTube channel, then subscribe and like the video if you like it, and if you want that the video can be improved, then do comment. Let's start. Article 1, Name and Territory of the Union. Article 2, Admission or Establishment of New States. Article 3, Formation of new states and alteration of boundaries. Article 4, Laws made under Articles 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment of the first and fourth schedules and supplemental, incidental, consequential, or transitional matters. Article 5, Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Article 6, Rights of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. Article 7, Rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. Article 8, Rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India. Article 9, Persons voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens. Article 10, Continuance of the rights of citizenship. Article 11, Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Article 12, Definition of the state. Article 13, Laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights. Article 14, Equality before the law. Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16, Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17, Abolition of untouchability. Article 18, Abolition of titles. Article 19, Protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Article 20, Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21, Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 22, Protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Article 23, Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24, Prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Article 25, Freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. Article 26, Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27, Freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article 28, Freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institutions. Article 29, Protection of interests of minorities. Article 30, Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 31, Repealed, Right to property. Article 32, Remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights including the writs of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari. Article 33, Power of Parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application to forces, etc. Article 34, Restriction on rights conferred by this part while martial law is in force in any area. Article 35, Legislation to give effect to the provisions of this part. Article 36, Definition of state, in Part 3. Article 37, Application of the principles contained in this part. Article 38, State to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. Article 39, Certain principles of policy to be followed by the state. Article 40, Organization of village panchayats. Article 41, Right to work, to education, and to public assistance in certain cases. Article 42, Provision for just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief. Article 43, Living wage, etc., for workers. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code for the citizens. Article 45, Provision for free and compulsory education for children. Article 46, Promotion of educational and economic interests of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other weaker sections. Article 47, Duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health. Article 48, Organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Article 49, Protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance.
Article 50, Separation of judiciary from the executive.